Hello students, today we'll discuss the unit number 6, part B, forces on the immersed body. Uh, Consider a body is immersed in a fluid which is flowing at a uniform velocity. So when the body is immersed in a fluid, there are the forces acting on the body. These forces can be resolved into two components, mainly the drag force and the lift force. Drag force is that component which is in the direction of the motion of the fluid, and lift force is the component which is perpendicular to the direction of the motion of the fluid. You can see over here from the diagram, this is the body, this is the uniform velocity of the fluid. This body is immersed in the fluid. For a study purpose, we have taken a small element of the body, and the forces acting on this body are, this is the pressure force and this is the shear force. This angle is theta, this angle is 90 minus theta. So we can see here the forces acting on the small element are the pressure force acting perpendicular to the surface, that is PDA, shear force acting tangential direction to the surface, that is tau dA. So to finding out the drag force, the total drag force is integration of P cos theta dA and tau plus tau cos uh, tau sin theta dA. While for the lift force, the perpendicular forces, we can see here minus P dA sin theta, that means this force is acting in the downward direction, plus tau dA sin 90 minus theta. The total drag force will be CD rho A u square upon 2. Similarly, FL, that is the lift force, will be CL rho A v square upon 2. The resultant force will be square root of FD square plus FL square. So this CD is nothing but the drag coefficient and CL is nothing but the lift coefficient. Different types of the drags are the pressure drag. It is a drag which acts perpendicular to the surface of the body which is immersed in a fluid. Friction drag, another name for the friction drag, is the uh, skin drag also, or shear drag. It is a shear force acting along the tangential direction to the surface of the body immersed in the fluid. Last one is the deformation drag. It occurs when the viscous force are the more predominant than the inertia force, and the Reynolds number is less than 0.1. Next is the streamlined body. The body whose surface coincides with the streamline when the body is placed in a flow. For example, the aerofoil. You can see the car designs are the aerofoil. So we can say the streamlined body of a car body is there. This is the example of the streamlined body we can say. And here major part is the friction force, friction drag we can say. So less eddies are produced. When there is such like a plate, then more wake is there, and major is the pressure force. Drag on the sphere again depends upon the Reynolds number. If Reynolds number is less than zero point 0.2, if the Reynolds number is less between zero point 0.2 and 5, if the Reynolds number is between 5 and 1000, there will be the different coefficient of drag force. Similarly, for 1000 to 10 raised to power 5, and when Reynolds number is greater than 10 raised to power 5. Similarly, drag on the cylinder, drag on the flat plate. Okay. Development of lift on the aerofoil. We can see that there is a aerofoil is there, and aerofoils are the streamlined bodies which may be symmetrical or unsymmetrical in sphere. The aerofoil is characterized by the chord length. This is the chord length, angle of attack, then This is the span L of the span length of the aerofoil. These are three parameters on which the development of aerofoil depends. So these are different types of aerofoils, symmetrical aerofoils, and elevation aerofoils. And for this purpose, what is the lift force? It is measured. Magnus effect. Magnus effect is nothing but when a cylinder is rotating in uniform flow, the lift force is produced on the cylinder. This phenomenon is called Magnus effect. We can see over here that there is a cylinder which is rotating inside a fluid flow. So on the upper side we get the higher velocity, and on the lower side we get the low velocity. It is called Magnus effect. These are the some of the numericals. For example, solved examples based on the drag force, lift forces, resultant forces for the study purpose.